is water runs down the street, then it runs down their drive, which is pointed, and it goes under their garage door. And so this is not atypical of what some of the places that we're fixing. And this, you know, this is kind of a stopgap measure, but it does, I think, will keep from having major water problems there.
So do you really think that this will be, you know, worse than Katrina, you know, the rainfall?
I really don't. No,
okay.
We went through Katrina and spent a lot of time church-wise helping the people down on the coast, so I don't think this is going to be anywhere close. Now, you know, for people that don't have any problem with flooding or heavy wind, it's no problem. But for a person like this, if water gets in their house, it's a problem. So,
yes,
you know, I don't foresee any major damage with this. We may, depending on the rain. I mean, you'd probably be hard pressed to convince people that we're going to get 14 inches of rain when we're standing out here with the way the sun's shining today.
Yeah.
Yeah, Louis, I think I get it.
Okay.
At least that'll hold them, because most of it is just when it's a quick rain comes down this hill.